Some cichlid supermoms raise their babies in their mouths. Using them as mobile nurseries to keep their young safe as they grow.
Keeping your baby safe is an around-the-clock challenge.